So the next question. So this question also under the topic profit and loss. A person buys 140 watches and sells 80 watches at a total profit of rupees 4,000. The remaining he sells at a total loss of rupees 1,200. If overall he gains by 10%, find the cost price of each watch. So as in SSC CGL 2017. So friends, so for this question, so without any data, I'll give you the answer in seconds. So 200 rupees is the answer. So now I'll explain to you how I got the answer. So with a few steps. So first the question. So here the question says a person buys 140 watches. So he sells 80 watches at a total profit of 4,000 rupees and the remaining, that is 60 watches, he sells at a total loss of 1,200. So overall he gains by 10% and we need to find the cost price of each watch. So now as the value itself is given, so we don't need the number of watches he sells, 80 and 60 detail, that split up we don't need. So what is the overall profit? So it is profit of 4,000 for this 80 watches. For the remaining watches, loss is 1,200. So he gains 4,000 rupees by selling 80 and the remaining 60 when he sells, he loses 1,200. So what is the overall profit for him? It is 2,800. So they have given overall he gains by 10%. So this profit of 2,800 is in the total cost price. So which is 10% of total cost price. So when 10% of total cost price is 2,800, so what will be the total cost price into 10? So then total cost price for him is 28,000, which means he had spent 28,000 to buy 140 watches. So overall 10% means, so 10% of 28,000 is 2,800. So if he had spent 28,000 to buy 140 watches, so what will be cost of one watch? So dividing by 140. Cost price of each watch is 200 rupees. So now with this simple understanding, profit is 4,000 and loss for this part is 1,200. Overall profit value is 2,800 and profit percent, if it is 10%, then 100% will be 28,000. So which is cost prices of 140 watches. So dividing by 140, we get cost price of a single watch as rupees 200 is the answer. So friends, understand the question and instead of going for this working part, so just you can analyze and get the answer within seconds. So now instead of doing all this, so just I found what was the overall profit. If this is 10%, then 28,000 will be 100%. Cost of 140 watches, 200 is the answer. Cost of one watch is 200 rupees. So we'll go for the next question.